Swinging pendulum. Swinging pendulum, defense against a right roundhouse kick. As your opponent steps in with his right roundhouse kick, you're going to move up the circle to get away from that kick. It's a universal block. Make sure you're at or above the knee. You're going to shuffle in with a hammer fist to the groin. Move up the circle with the elbow up underneath the chin. Cover out. From your right neutral bow, step up the circle with your left foot away from your opponent's kick and deliver a right inward block with a left downward block in the universal block. Shuffle up with a right downward hammer fist to his groin. Move up the circle again with your left foot as you deliver a right obscure elbow up underneath his chin. Cover out. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it entertaining, educational, and perhaps useful. We have more videos, more content every week. Please give a like, a subscribe, and ring that bell.